everybody. It's Sean and Nancy at Diamond Hearts Art Studio.
Hello.
Check out Nancy's new nails. She did a sparkly green. They're very cool. So today I'm going to be showing you our style this week. But before we get to that, I do want to remind you we're going to be at Wachusett Mountain this coming weekend. We're going to be there for Kids Fest. So come, buy some art, buy some discounted class tickets. Make a potion bottle, a Harry Potter style shakeable potion bottle. That'll be great. We'd love to see you there. Come meet us in person. Also, this month we're doing our kids art contest that's running right now. So we're looking for
New submissions.
If you're 17 or under, or you know somebody that's got some art that's original that they're proud of, bring it in, display it here for the month of September. There'll be winners at the end of the month for the best rated pieces of art in each of 3 age groups. You can win something and there's no cost to enter, so don't hesitate. Come see us.
Tell your friends. Tell everybody at school.
Okay, so this week we're doing pearl paint.
So tell me, why do we have so much white?
Because these are pearlescent paints. So when you see something marked as yellow or violet, they look the same coming out of the bottle, and they'll look the same pretty much at the end of this process. But then when the colors dry, they're going to have a pearlescent sheen to them on top of the dark color that we put in the background.
We would show you the paintings that we have, but somebody bought them.
Yep. We've sold the pearlescent ones.
Yeah.
They were award winners, too. We had an award winner pearlescent one that sold. So
You're spinning a marble there.
I am. I'm going to use this marble in order to make some beautiful marbleescent, pearlescent, pearl marbles, pearls.
Well, let's get to it.
Yeah,
Luann's gonna bust a gut.
Yeah, you can't have that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a dark color down, in this case black, in the background in basically a rectangle inside the border of the painting on the canvas. That's not enough to cover a canvas, but we're going to add to that. You think that's enough for now?
I do. You can wiggle that around a bit and just get a nice little coating. Yeah, that should be good.
Looks like venom. Okay.
Leave it like that.
And
Perfect.
we're done.
It's done. We're going to give it a little torchy torch.
Yeah, let's pop some bubbles. I don't know if you can see some in the reflection there. All right. And now I'm going to make some puddles.
You should say what colors you're using.
This is yellow. Pearl yellow. And now I'll do blue inside the yellow. And I'll do a couple of blue. And now inside the blue, I'll do violet. I'll do a violet one here. And green. Let's do green inside the blue. If I remember which ones. Tell me I'm wrong in the comments. Sparkle. We can't forget our sparkle.
You got a really blank spot right there. You need a puddle in.
What, at the bottom here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do violet. You don't have much blank violet.
Violet.
Now, did you want to add any of the other blue or the purple darker colors, or are we just
Nope,
going to leave it?
I'm just going to leave it like this and see what
Okay.
comes out. And that's red inside the violet here.
So that looks like a whole lot of white.
Yep.
You guys are going to have to tune back in later. In a couple hours, we'll put up a picture of it drying, and you'll see the colors come out.
So now we've got the marble in there, and I'm going to roll the marble around. So Nancy, will people that come here have to use the marble?
They will not. You can do an open cup pour. You can do a tree ring pour. There's all kinds of things we can do. We can do swipes with this. The only thing I don't think will work out very well is a hair dryer pour. Paint's a little too thick for that.
What are we thinking?
I'm thinking you go swirl a little bit more of that black from the top and edge in there. Yeah. There we go. That's a nice one. That was a good swipe. All right. I think you're looking good.
All right. So now I'm going to tilt.
Can't see any of the colors. Well, you can see that that looks like it's a little red. Those look like a little yellow.
Let's see what comes out when
Let's
I
see
tilt
what
it.
happens.
Can you see any colors
Yep.
developing as they
Yep,
thin
I
out?
can see purple, I can see red, I can see the blue there in the middle. There's some up here. There's some of that color coming out.
Oh, this is the exciting part. Got some
Look at
cells
those
in there. I didn't
colors
expect
coming
that.
out.
I didn't expect any cells.
I know.
What kind of black is that?
It's the Mars black. Oh, it might be the metallic black. I forgot we got two. It might be the metallic black.
What are we thinking? Can I stretch it any more?
I think you could stretch it a little. Yeah, you do. That's perfect. Look at those colors coming out, everybody. Now, you see how white that all started? Now check that out.
Yeah, when you're done watching the video, go back and look at the beginning of putting those spots on. You won't believe it's the same thing. Well, I'm so glad I had a chance to play with the Pearl Paints.
Yeah.
If you would like to play with the Pearl Paints, we are open Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Classes at 3:30 and 6:30. As I mentioned this weekend, we will be at Wachusett Mountain on Saturday and Sunday, so I'm afraid we will not be open for classes. But if you want to come and play and make something beautiful and unique using a variety of techniques and our Pearl Paints, this is a good time to come. You haven't done this here before. This is all new.
This is only the second time we've done pearl paints here.
Yeah.
Here.
Yep, and I think that you'll agree that that was a surprise the way that came out. And those colors will continue to develop, right?
See, there's the yellow, that's the red, the blue and the violet. There's more violet here.
And some of that, what you see as white, is actually sparkle, right?
Yep.
So that big white streak right here, that's going to be all sparkle on
Yep.
top of the black. So something unique. Watch for that final result photo to come out in addition to this
The colors
video.
will just continue to intensify. As you can see how much they've already changed.
Yes. Also, look for our October calendar to come out today. We're going to be putting that up with all of the different kinds of styles that we're working on in October.
We're going to plan an event at the beginning of October to do the welcome mat painting. So make sure you're on board for that.
Yeah, if you want to make something to put outside your front door to clean your feet off with, you might not want to use the ones that we make. But, yeah, you might. They will be very cool and they'll be unique and you can have them forever and put them out come spooky season or whatever style.
You can do Thanksgiving, you can do spooky, you can do whatever you want.
So I'm getting some cells areas here I didn't really anticipate. Oh, get that.
That's got to be the metallic black one.
Okay.
Very nice.
So
All
we'll
right.
see you today, tomorrow, or Friday, 3:30 and 6:30 for classes, and then come see us at Wachusett Mountain for Kids Fest.
What you said. So yeah, come see us. We'd love to see you. In the meantime,
Stay artsy
stay
and
fartsy.
have a colorful day.